The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
I am at the famous Duppy church, people. Yeah. Spirits already know who I am, so I'm just gonna go and for curious reason. Never been to this church before. Oh, that's crazy.
Viewers, subscribers, look at it like this now. You're going to a place that person's called Duppy Church, and as you're about to enter the abandoned building that person's called Duppy Church, you see the word help marked on one of the walls. Huh? I could observe some more viewers and subscribers.
Wow. The famous Duppy church. May I enter? Speak now with falling of things. Oh, I guess that's a sign that says yes, so I may enter. It says it again. Thank you. I am just a bypasser, just coming through just to look here. Thank you for acknowledging my presence.
You hear that sound a while ago, viewers and subscribers? You hear that sound like something knock on something? You see me? Can't quite identify what had been hit. You see me, I said to you? Like for real now, as the person asks if the person can enter, that's when that sound had been made. Eh? I wonder if it's just a coincidence that something fall from a tree and hit probably the roof, or maybe it's the person just hit something. You see me, I said to you, because you know, you have persons who do things and do some stunts and put videos on social media, you know. You see me, I said to you. So all these things are running through my head right now, me hear that. How has this person asked if he can enter, this happen? Eh? Make we listen, make we observe some more viewers and subscribers. This kind of weird to me.
All right, my time is already extended, so I am leaving. Thank you.
Come like him catch him afraid. Come like him get afraid. Me not wrong him. Me that left too. Let me know what you think about this here, viewers. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Seriousskilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now in this video, I'm going to talk to you about a abandoned building that many persons call Duppy Church. You see me? Yes, Duppy Church. You see it? And I'm doing this video just in case if any of you, my viewers and subscribers, have never heard about this Duppy Church before. You see what I'm saying to you? And it's more than evident that I'm not the first person to talk about this so-called Duppy Church on social media before, you see me? And in this video, I'm presenting videos to you that shows when persons visited this abandoned building that many persons call Duppy Church. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, I also did some research about this Duppy Church, you see me? Trying to find out some things about it, you see me? And to my knowledge, the history about this church goes back to at least the 18th century. You see me? It might be further than the 18th century, but to my knowledge, that's what I know, that it goes back to at least the 18th century. You see what I'm saying to you? And this so-called Duppy Church is said to be located within the parish that is known as Manchester, that is within the country of Jamaica, you see me? And you know, originally it is said that the name of the church was St. George's Anglican Church. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. Alright, so viewers and subscribers, now I heard some stories about this so-called Duppy Church. And one of the allegations are about this so-called Duppy Church is that the building had been abandoned because Duppies was wreaking havoc on the congregation of the church. Let me say it again another way. One of the allegations are that the building that is known as the Duppy Church had been abandoned because Duppies was haunting the congregation of the church. That's one of the allegations, you see. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I just presented one video to you, and in my point of view, that video shows when a person just make a visit and leave. You see what I said to you? And I'm going to present another video to you, viewers and subscribers. And you see, this video that I'm going to present to you, you're going to hear some things said in this video. And I want you to please bear in mind that some of the things that have been said in this video might not be the truth. You understand? So I'm presenting this video to you so that you can hear some of the things that this person had said in this video. And you can tell me if you believe or if you do not believe some of the things that this person had said in this video. You see what I'm saying to you? Because allegations had been made about this so-called Duppy church, and stories had been told about this so-called Duppy church. You see what I'm saying to you? So therefore, as I'm presenting this video to you, I want you to get it very clearly that some of the things said in this video might not be the truth, and I'm asking you if you believe or if you do not believe some of the things that this person has said in this video. You understand? Now, please bear in mind, that you're going to hear more than one person talking in this video, viewers and subscribers. That's what I'm saying to you. And for those who might not like to see spooky buildings, viewer discretion is advised. All right? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I know this thing called Duppy Church.
Yeah.
And the artist there,
So we have a link to the Duppy them,
Yeah, man, this thing called Duppy Church. Huh?
Let me say it's scary.
Everybody who never been to Jamaica, this is what they call Duppy Church. The infamous Duppy Church. Why them call it Duppy Church? I don't know. But we're about to find out.
So I take the walk up these steps.
I walk through the valley of the shadow of death. I shall fear no evil. This is the infamous church that everybody in the world is so amazed by. See why them call it Duppy Church? Because they buried the people inside of the church. 2 headstones right there. One more headstone. Do you see the headstones? These are where the peoples were buried.
Like over here. A tribute of
John Davy.
John David.
See that?
You see how long? From 1863, man.
See that?
1863.
This is when John was buried. You see here? 1863. This one died at age 42.
SJT. Landville of Green Whale in the parish.
This is the only place in Jamaica where you can find Duppy Church. This is the only church where they buried the people back in the 1800s inside of the church.
Viewers and subscribers, so when it comes on to the whole Duppy thing, many different stories you're going to hear, you see me? Yeah. Jamaicans would say it like this. When it comes on to Duppy story, you're going to hear different sitting. You see what I'm saying to you? For real. Yeah, but and I really love viewers and subscribers. The thing about it is that you can listen to what persons are saying, but it is best to do research to find out what exactly happened. You understand? But Jamaicans have a thing where them say, when someone tell you something, if it not go so, it near so. So who knows? You see what I said to you? Alright, so I just one of them things, the viewers and subscribers, I saw these videos on social media, I found them interesting, and I said that I'm just going to bring these videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it and see what happened when persons visited this abandoned building that is called Duppy Church, that is within Manchester, that's within the country of Jamaica. You see? Yeah, within the parish of Manchester, that's within the country of Jamaica. Alright? So viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about this so-called Duppy Church. You see what I'm saying to you? I would like you to tell me if you believe or if you do not believe in this whole thing where it is said that Duppy haunted the congregation of the church. That's why the building had been abandoned. You see what I'm saying to you? In my point of view, I'm going to tell you the truth. I don't think I got enough information to determine if Duppy really and truly caused persons to leave the church or abandon the building as to how they said it. As I said, that's my point of view. Alright? I hope you found this so-called Duppy Church thing interesting. You see me? Me Dancehall Skilla, me only there so to keep you up to date and posting and let you know what's going on. Alright? And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. And me name Dancehall Skilla, you know, big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.